What it do? Getting ready to, getting ready to leave San Diego now. Gonna head on to LA and probably hit Venice Beach, Hollywood Boulevard, all the tourist crap, you know. But should be a good time, so stay tuned. Freaking got a police escort. What the heck is this, boys? Come on now. Dang, he's going slower too now. Let's go. Come on, baby. God damn, Texan. Guys, at the Hollywood Boulevard, gonna check it out. Got me some free water. They were walking around giving it. I'm gonna give me some lunch real quick and check the scene out. The man's out here, bro. What did it do? Third place? Come on now.
That's the kind of like.
These waves ain't playing no games right now. Dang. Need to learn how to surf. Look at that. Then you got this boy. Look what this guy's got. A whole ass branch. Out here hanging out with Texan at the beach. I don't know if y'all can see that. It looks way more beautiful in person and like majestic, but just hanging out, let him running around. So there's a lot of freaking flies out though. That Chinese rocket thing was supposed to fly over. I was hoping it would fly over here. That would have been cool for video, but it already passed us, so at least I'm in the clear. What's crack-a-lackin', y'all? I am at Ventura, California right now. It is right by Channel Islands. Day 66, by the way. But as you can see, it is a crappy day. So the national park itself is free, but you do have to pay like $80 to get on a boat to go over there. So I don't know if I want to waste $80 on a day like this. It's supposed to be like this tomorrow too. So at the moment, I don't know what I have in store, but you already know it's finna be lit, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? That is gonna wrap it up for this video. If you made it this far, once again, y'all are the real MVPs. Appreciate it. I was gonna put a lot more into this video, but there's a lot of good stuff that I've done in the last couple hours. So I actually want to save that for the next video. It feels like it fits better. So once again, appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Right with the pen, she call her friends, meet me up on I-10. I took the Mazda, she took the Benz.